waterfall. Must be in the Calera region near Valencia.
Cool.
Oh, can you see that
Oh,
already? Looks like it's been a while since we've seen a waterfall.
yeah. You certainly can't get lost.
No.
First Spanish waterfall since the Pyrenees.
Oh my god, it's massive.
Wow. Look at that. That's free flowing.
Wow, dude.
That looks amazing. There's a little walkway in front of it.
We're going to get soaked.
Oh yeah. It's the way to go, isn't it? But you have to go downstairs.
I don't think you can go any other way.
This might be it.
Okay. It's a little bridge. I don't know whether that's it or not. That is lovely and clear, that water.
Really clear water.
Yeah.
Nice colour. There's dusting down here. Oh!
Oh!
I can see it. It's like New Zealand, isn't it?
It is, isn't it?
Oh! Wow. That looks amazing. Cascada del Salto.
Wow.
One of Spain's greatest.
With your tea, yeah, of course. They're lovely, aren't they?
Guess we're like in the gorge.
Yeah. Oh, it's got a lovely sign as well.
Anna.
Look at that. Wow. Thanks, Anna. Good job. That looks amazing.
There's a lush green in the forest.
Yeah.
You think we've been transported to New Zealand?
I know. This is epic. Also, it does not look like December, does it?
No. number is below. I can't remember what it is.
I don't know what we're on.
It's been about a month since I last waterfall in Portugal. But it was worth the wait. Cascade del Santo.
We've never been away from the UK this time. That's a nice thing, isn't it? I don't think we've ever filmed ourselves eating at lunch in front of a waterfall either.
No. We've got the Viking dock behind us.
How nice is that?
With a lovely
Equinox salmon.
crossing off bread, sandwich off.
It's a nice day out there. Oh, I think this is different. It's got a name.
Tres Cascadas.
It's a different one.
Oh,
Wow.
that's cool.
Yeah.
All that crazy rock and moss and
Yeah.
tree.
I don't think we've ever done a waterfall walk in the time said on the sign. This is the first.
First time ever. Yeah, bodies are feeling good. The soup diet is working.
All the lovely Spanish fruit and veg.
Up and down the steps, which are plenty. Yeah, they're good. That was definitely a really good walk. Definitely recommended.
Definitely.
5 sandwiches. It's a medium difficulty sort of walk, but yeah, there's some steep bits, but you
Totally worth doing
definitely
though.
worth it if you can.
We are full time travelling on the road.
Hit that like and subscribe. We'll see you all in the next one.